Good morning, girls. This is for class 6. This is the first video, girls. We will be sending you because now it's the right time to start the class. Hello, I all of you are very safe in your home, and do remain staying in your home because this is the requirement of the time, and we all are also following the same practice. My name is, since girls you all are new to this high school, coming from the primary to the secondary side, so you all are new. You might have seen us somewhere moving in the school, but not exactly as a introduction. So I am Ruchika Sal ma'am. I'll be taking your VPA classes as of now, and then proceedings more with other classes. So for today, today we will only talk about VPA class. What exactly is VPA, girls? VPA is visual and performing arts. Now, what is visual? What we see. Anything what we see around us is visual, okay? And performing arts, and perform, to do something, to make something, right? So perform with your own hands. You see, you perform, you make, right? That is the magic behind, means you see and you make. Your imagination, your observation, your thinking, your creativity is going to turn your work in a new innovation, something very new. Okay, so since we are starting this class for today, and you are seeing me through this video, I won't be seeing you, but I can clarify your doubts. We have told your class teachers very soon hopefully we will be getting the name list of your particular sections. So then we will see later on if we can make a group, okay, in WhatsApp, so that whatever you make, you can send me with your name. This is my work and this is what I have done. And if you have some clarifications, you want to ask something, even you can do it over there. Or you can even take help from your class teachers to get connected to us, and then whatever the doubts we have, we will clarify. Okay, now one thing more, girls, since we all are in lockdown, sorry. Now, girls, since we all are in lockdown, I know you might not be having many things in your home. I am in the same condition, girls. Even I don't have many things in my home, but some very small things, normal things, which we have in our home. I would like to start your workout with all those things. For example, I'll suggest you something, girls, for the VPA classes. Sorry, I don't know what happened. You can do a good work. Any old file, the clear file, or ask your mummy to give you a box. Any old box, okay, as for now. Or a file. You can do, you can keep things you'll be needing, means for every class will be scissors, very important one in craft, okay. Scissors, your stationery is a normal one, your pencil, sometimes you'll be needing your scale, sometimes eraser, sharpener, pencil and scale. Color pencils, I'll be taking the classes. Sometimes you'll be needing color pencils, sometimes you'll be needing crayons, sometimes you'll be needing paints, sometimes you'll be needing some other different colors, which can be done later on. Okay, so whatever I'm saying you, I'll be telling you 1 week before, so that you can arrange your things and keep it with you, right? Second thing, in the folder you will keep your stationeries, you will keep your scissor, and some papers will be required, very obviously, because something we have to start with. Your Fevicol, if you don't have Fevicol for now, but I don't think, some little you have at your home, all of us, but still, if you don't have it in a quantity, don't worry. Do not panic your sorry, Do not panic your parents for anything, girls. Okay, I'll try my best to make your work as easy as I can. Okay, and today I am starting with a very easy project, which I think should have, you might have done it in your classes somewhere, seen your parents doing it, or I think you might have tried also. Let's start with the first project, and please make a rough copy or make a sheet, a page, a full sheet. Keep it very clear. With the date, you will write the project. So first project is your envelopes, right? Now, I'm just giving you a slight description about it. Envelopes are of two types. One are formal, one are informal. Now, formal letters, your parents might have, like your parents and you also use it. It's a long one, especially in brown or white color. Yes, very basic, these two colors we get in market also, in which your parents place some documents or application letter or a letter to be given to principal, to be given to the teachers, to be given to some of, official, so their official transactions, their official conversations are to be made, and we have to give letters or we have to fill a form and submit. So we use that kind of envelopes. There are formal envelopes. Informal envelopes can be the envelopes which are used in marriage purpose, the marriage cards, the money, in marriages when you go, you give money as a gift, so you need an envelope, so you place it in those, different kind of, and in that I'll be teaching you some designer envelopes also. I'll be giving you some ideas so that you can make a designer envelope for yourself. So for today, we will start a basic envelope. Yes, a formal basic envelope. So for that I have taken a sheet which was just kept in my house. We have some magazines in our house, right? And we have these kinds of, papers. So I have just taken one selected one. Okay, let's do with white because it's formal. It's not pure white, it's all painted one and all, but then it's okay because we have to work with all those things which we have in our home. Now girls, I'm not going to go with a particular size. Reason behind is because if I go with a particular size, might not you or me having the same measurement of the paper. But so let's just do a model, just make a demo. I'll give you a demo of it and you try to make it. This is the sheet lengthwise. Can you see the length? And this is the width. You can see the page number here. Yes. So this is the the lengthwise. Sorry. This is the lengthwise page, and this is the widthwise. Right. Now what you have to do? Simple. Fold this page, lengthwise page. Overlap it for half inches. How much? 1 or 1.5 finger in width. Overlap it. Okay, overlap means one upon another. Try to place it in the middle. Okay, I'll just show you. Try to place it in the middle and give pressure on the paper so that it becomes flat. So what I have done, girls, this was the paper. I folded, I tried, and I see. Now see how much paper is going in. You can see from here how much paper is going in. Just 2 centimeters around. 1.5 finger. Okay. Now what are you supposed to do? I'll just adjust once again. Yes. Now you can see this part also. Okay. More can be done. Okay. Now, so what are you going to do? You are going to place Fevicol on the bigger side. And the smaller size will move on the upper side and just place the paper very firmly and very neatly. Try do not make it dirty because it is white color, girls, and your work should be neat always. It cannot be any time dirty. Okay, keep this. If you feel that Fevicol has stuck your fingers, take a cotton cloth always in your hand, a rough cotton cloth. Ask your mama, rough cotton cloth. Keep it towards one side. All the colored papers which are available in your house, keep it to one side. If you have old chart papers, magazines, keep it to one side. This will be now helpful to you. Okay, so this is done. Let it dry for some time. Now, the other side, I'll cut around 2 inches from both the sides and see that the side is equal. And you feel if it is not equal, make it equal. Yes. So folded. Can you see, girls? I have cut and now it is folded. Right? Now folded one, cut it very nicely. It should be straight. It should be very nice. Done. So can you see? It's done. And this side is bigger. Now, see what I'm doing. Towards, you can just cut one, just not even 1 inch, half centimeter. Cut half centimeter. Give it a slant shape. Can you see now? This is little bit. I have to do a little bit like this. Okay. Now what I have done? Taken, pasted. Upper side 2 inches, 2 inches cut. Cut this paper, separated, and a slight cut from both the sides. Now turn this. Done. Now this can be little small also. It's up to you. If you want to make it little small, as we get in the market, just cut it from here. Okay. Now this part is left. What to do? If you want, you can just fold it like this. Simple folding. If you don't want that, if you want to make it like a market one, give 1 centimeter cut here, 1 centimeter cut here, fold it as I have folded it before, okay, and cut it over here. Use Fevicol to the part here and fold it very softly. See that if this Fevicol sticks in your hand, see that you are cleaning it with a cotton cloth kept. And always use paper or a rough cloth under your work. Okay, so our envelope is ready. Wow, quick work, 2 minutes work. Yes, now you can use this envelope anytime. Anyone can use, parents can use, you can use to keep your small things. Thank you guys. I'll see you very soon with the next video. By the time, I would like all will practice at least making 1. If you want to make 2, because you're at home, you can give your time. So you can put 2 also, but I want everyone to practice at least 1. And keep this with you. At least 1 sample you will keep this with you. You want to make 2, 3, 5, 6, okay. You can use all those. 1 sample as a work evidence. You will keep it with you where I can mark you when we meet in the school. Okay. By the time I told you to make a file or a box, suppose if I made this and this is my first project, I'm going to write my name with a pencil here and I'll keep it in my box or in my folder, writing over here with a pencil, first project envelope with the date. Thank you. Thank you girls. See you very soon. Keep safe, keep healthy, eat well, sleep well with your parents. Enjoy, even study hard, because this is the time we can give more studies and physically be strong. Thank you so much. We'll meet again.